How to see photo insights on the Instagram app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to see photo insights on your Instagram app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're in your profile, select the photo that you'd like to see insights for. Then next, underneath the post, tap on the button that says View Insights. And here you'll be able to see all of the post insights for this post. How many accounts it's reached, how many accounts engaged, and profile activity, plus a lot more. So that's all it takes to see photo insights on the Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.